How to fix Discord crashing issue on Windows and mobile. Here are some tips that would help you fix Discord crashing issue on Windows and mobile. For desktop users, 1. Delete the data in cache and local storage at %appdata%\discord. 2. Turn off compatibility mode. 3. Remove, using the recommended uninstall tool Pro in this video guide, then reinstall the Discord app. 4. Turn off the hardware acceleration in Discord settings. 5. Turn on legacy mode for audio subsystem in voice and video. For mobile players, 1. Quit all other unused/unwanted background apps. 2. Try disabling Discord's use data to improve Discord option under privacy and safety feature. Head over to text and images, turn off automatically play GIFs, both the options under emoji, and enable low quality images option. 3. For iOS users, turn off background app refresh. 4. Cut down on your disk storage. 5. Restart your device. 6. Turn off battery optimization. 7. Remove and get the latest version of Discord reinstalled.